Hi everyone, this is Professor E, and today's lecture we are going to talk about a very, very important and powerful tool in Microsoft Word. It's called Mail Merge. So Mail Merge, as the name probably implies, allows us to combine two things. On one side, we have the template, something that does not change, always fixed, and then the data source. And then we combine them so we can create multiple documents. I'll give you an example. Let's say a student or someone wants to send a cover letter for many employers. Now, instead of repeating the same thing over and over, that will be a waste of time. What you can do, mail merge allows us to combine the data source, which are like basically the contact information of the employers, with the template, the cover letter document that we want to send. It's going to combine them. So this will generate multiple cover letters, personalized and customized. So I'll give you an example. So let's say, okay, this is Microsoft Word already open. So you go to mailing and then you start the process. It's a few steps. So you start mail merge. And then there are different types here, letters, email messages. We can do the same thing with envelopes, with labels, and other things. As you can see, step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, we can click on this one. This is easy. So I'm going to hit mail merge. As you can see at the bottom, it says step 1 of 6. So there are 6 steps. So I'm going to start in a document. And then, of course, it's going to say, okay, I'm going to use the current document, which is already open. And then I'm going to the next one. Okay, now it says select your recipients. So in this case, all the employees, the contact information of all employers. So I'm going to say an existing list because I created one, as you can see right here. In Microsoft Excel, I created a little document that has the first name, last name, the address, city, state, and zip code of all my employers. I'm just giving an example here of 7 of them. So that's going to be my data source. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say here, use an existing list. I'm going to browse. So I'm going to try to find, okay, help my documents or help my program find this data source. I'm going to browse and then I'm going to go. I saved it in a folder called the mail merge. So I have it in here, mail merge, as you can see right here. And this is my data source. So I'm going to click open. Okay, now it is included in my program. You can see it's going to integrate that, as you can see right here, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now the data source now is, as you can see right here, you check, make sure everything is fine. As you can see, it shows all the information, last name, first name, address, city, and then zip code and state. Okay, so it looks everything is fine. I'm going to click OK. And then you're going to write. So next step number 3, you're going to write your letter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the letter. Now I already have it. I'm just going to paste it. As you can see, this is the letter. Delmar office. This is an example that I want to send it to multiple people. Okay. So now I have this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the next one. So I'm going to put write my letter. And then I'm going to start adding the information, as you can see right here, insert mail merge. So this is the letter, and now I'm going to put the recipient or the destination on top. So as you can see right here, I'm going to go to insert merge field, all the field I have, so I can put first name. Of course, this is the variable, so it's going to be replaced by the actual names. And then I'm going to leave a space, and then insert the last name, and then hit the enter key. And then after that, I'm going to insert the address. Of course, this is only a variable that takes multiple values. And then address, and then I have the city, and then I'm going to put a comma in there, and then state. Then finally, the zip code. Okay, so this will change. Okay, now I can put something else here. Maybe the title I can make insert, and then maybe a word art, and then something. That's going to be my title. I'm going to center it. Okay, gonna move it right here. And then I'm gonna put the name of Del Mar Office Supplies. Okay, so that's gonna stay in every single document. But this first name, last name will be changed. As you can see, the document is made of two things. Something that is fixed, like the title, the content, or the text. But there's something also that is variable that changes. That's why I put the variable here. And then you can put, for example, here, dear, and then I'm going to put last name. So I'm going to put right here, last name, dear, whatever the last name is on the column. So that's what we choose. So now I have everything in place. Now I'm going to move on and preview my letters. As you can see, it changes. Can you see this? So it doesn't show the variables anymore. It shows the actual value. And then edit the recipient, just make sure that everything is fine. And I'm going to click OK. And then complete the merge. Now, if you can see, and then I'm going to, yeah. And then here, either you're going to print them or you're going to just see how they look like. So if I click on it, it says all of them, click OK. Now look what's going to happen. Look how many. Now I have the first one, John Smith. If you go down, so that's basically what the mail merge is about. So I'm going to go down. See, this is the first one. Second one, it's almost the same text, but with different contact information. So you can do the same thing with many things. As long as you have two things, the template and the data source, you can create multiple documents, save yourself a lot of time. So it makes it way more effective and efficient. You save a lot of time. So this is basically how to mail merge. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.